I sent a message from Telegram asking Claude Code to build me a landing page. It created the page, opened it in my browser, took a screenshot, and sent it right back to my Telegram, all from a single chat message. In this video, I'll show you how to set up a Telegram bot that connects directly to Claude Code. You message it from your phone, Claude does the work and sends you the result. Full remote control of your AI agent from anywhere. And if you saw my last video where I set this up with Discord, this is the Telegram version. I will link that one in the description below. Let me show you how to set it up. On this documentation, under the supported channels, you will find the Telegram section. We will follow this step by step. First step is creating a Telegram bot. So for that, we have to open the BotFather in Telegram and we have to send /new bot and give it a display name and a unique username ending in bot. Then it will give us a token that we will have to copy from the BotFather. So let's quickly click on this link, and once you click on that, it will redirect you on your Telegram app. So here just click on start and let's type /new bot, hit enter, and it is asking the name for the bot. So let's give it Claude Code 2. I already created one with the name Claude Code, so I'm going to name it Claude Code 2 just to demonstrate you. Hit enter. Now it is asking for the username and it is saying that it has to end with the bot. So let's name it Claude Code 2 bot. This is already taken, so let's give it something else. Claude Code to bot IaaS. Oops, sorry. It has to end with the bot. So Claude Code to IaaS bot. Okay. The bot has been created. As you say, done. Congratulations on your new bot. You will find it at this. You can either click on that to go to your bot or you can just search here as well. So let's go back to the documentation. We have to install the plugin first. I will open the terminal. Before starting anything, make sure that your Claude is on the most recent version. For that, you have to update your Claude space update. Claude Code is up to date. Now paste the command that we copied earlier, hit enter. Now it is asking that if you want to install it globally or for your project level or local scope. I would like to install globally, so let's select that. Now here, in case if this command doesn't work, if it says that plugin isn't found in any marketplace, your marketplace is either missing or outdated. So you just have to run this command to refresh it. If marketplace is already there installed in your Claude Code, then there might be case that it was outdated. So if you run this command, it would refresh the list of the available official plugins that you can download. Or if you never activated or installed the Anthropic's official marketplace yet, then you have to run this command to install the marketplace. So this is just one time task. So after running it, you will never have to run this specific command, and then in future you can install any plugin from the Anthropic marketplace. Now you just have to reload the plugins to activate the plugins configurations. Run that command. Now plugin has been reloaded. Now you have to configure your token. Let me actually copy this one first. Paste the command. Here I need to paste the token, so let me copy the token once again. Copy selected text, paste here, hit enter. This reload plugins didn't help us because I'm still not able to use the plugin specific commands. So to make it work correctly, you have to stop the Claude Code session and you have to run it again. Now let's run this command once again to configure our Telegram. Okay, let me save your bot token and check the current status. Now it is asking for the permission. Okay, as it says bot token saved and secured. Here is your current status. The token is set. DM policy is currently pairing. That means anyone can DM the bot and it replies with a pairing code for you to approve. Currently allowed senders are 0 and pending pairings are also 0. Pick up the new token. Next step is DM your bot on Telegram. It will reply with the pairing code. Then approve yourself with Telegram with this command. Once you and anyone else you want are paired, we will lock it down to allow list mode, so no one else can trigger pairing code. So either you can allow only yourself to message Claude Code in this session, or you can add multiple people as well. So for example, maybe you may want to add some of your family members in the same bot so that you can share your Claude Code session with your family member, they could also make use of that. Or maybe you want to share it with your friends or maybe your teammates that are working on the same project. So this can be very helpful in that regards. So currently I am the only one that is going to use. So let's quickly complete the process. First of all, I have to stop the Claude and I have to copy this command, paste it. So in this way, if you enter that, then it would start listening messages from that specific plugin, that is Telegram. Now it is actively listening for the messages. So let's quickly go to the Telegram and search for our newly created bot. So I just search against username that I created earlier and I found it. So just open that. Or you can actually directly click on this link as well to open your bot. All right. Let's click on the start button, and as soon as I clicked on the start, I got this message. This bot bridges Telegram to Claude Code session. To pair, DM me anything. You will get a 6-character code. Let's send a DM. Okay, I got the pairing code. Just copy that and paste it here. All right, as it says, found the pending pairing for this sender, approving now. So now it is deleting the pending entry and adding permission for this specific user by putting it inside the allow from array. Let's give it access. Yes, again give it permission. All right, it says pairing approved. Sender, this has been added to the allow list and will receive a confirmation message on Telegram. I just received a message and here it is. Paired, say hi to Claude. Now it is completely paired. So let's send some messages. Hello. It is asking for the permission to send this message. So what I would do is that I will just select the second option so that it will not ask me again for the same permission. Otherwise, I have to open the terminal every time and give it the permission, and that would kill the purpose of this bot. Let's just automate those responses, and now I got the reply. Let's send another message. How are you? Okay, I got the reply without need of giving permission again. Anyway, so now everything is working. Now let's go back to the documentation. And as it says that it has saves everything to the .env on this path. You can also set Telegram bot token in your shell environment before launching the Claude Code. And so in this way you can use multiple bots and use different token for every bot for every session. Next, we have completed this step as well. We have paired our account. And finally, this is the most important step that you should never miss. You should lock down access so only your account can send messages. Because right now, anybody might message you. You have to lock that down. So just copy that and go back to the terminal, paste it, and look at this. Before changing this, the DM policy was pairing. It has changed the DM policy from pairing to allow list. Hit yes. As it is done, it says DM policy updated from pairing to allow list. Only senders in the allow list, that is currently this person, can reach you. New users won't get a pairing prompt. You have locked it down. It's time to see the power of this bot. So let's open the current folder of this session in an editor so that I could show you what we have currently and what we are going to have. So I will open both of these applications side by side so that I can demonstrate you. You can see currently this is just an empty folder, and now I will ask it, can you please create a modern landing page for a digital product? So if I show you the terminal, it has started to create that, and I also got the message, sure, I'll create a modern landing page for you right now, give me a minute. As it says empty directory, I'll create a single file modern landing page. So you don't have to sit on your computer on your desk and watch the terminal. It is fully connected. You can just walk away, take your phone with you, and you can just keep chatting with your Telegram, and it will keep you updated through the Telegram. So you can see the updates from the Telegram, so you can add further instructions. So it is really useful. You don't have to sit here all the time. By the way, still it can interrupt you. It can stop in the middle and it might wait for your permission for some actions that it might perform. Like it may need to create some files, it may need to create some folders or things like that. So either you have to give it those permissions already in advance in your Claude setting here, or if you don't do that, you can also do another thing that is not recommended, but you can try that out. I have tried it and it is really useful, so you can try it at your own risk. So this is the flag that you can pass. So it is for unattended use. So if you pass this flag before starting your Claude Code session, then it will bypass prompts entirely, but only use it in the environments you trust. I'm already running my Claude session with this flag in my computer, and I trust that environment, the environment that I have configured, so I mostly keep it active so that I don't have to go to the computer. But this is very risky, and this can be very dangerous. Your computer can be hacked because of the prompt injections. For now, you can just turn it on to see the possibilities. So let me just copy that. So look at this. It is currently stuck here on this permission. It was waiting for me to come here and review the file and give it the permission so that it can create that file. So I will just reject it, and I will stop the session and start the session once again, and this time I will pass this additional flag, that is dangerously skip permission. So this would allow us to use Claude Code through the Telegram unattended easily. Here I will also would like to pass continue flag so that we could resume from where we left. Now I am back here, and look at this, bypass permission is on. That's mean it will keep working forever without our supervision. Please try again. This time it will work at highest speed because it is never going to ask you for any permission. It will do everything. Could you let me know what you would like me to try again? I'm not sure which task you're referring to. Okay, let me tell it again. Can you please create a modern landing page for the digital product? It is currently working. If I take you to the terminal, you see that it is now working at high speed without the need of any permission. Alright, it just has created the index.html file you can see on the left side. And as it has full permission, look at this, it has opened that, did not just create that file, it also started in my browser so that I could test it. So this is what it has created. Look at the layout, it looks very nice, and the animation and everything is working very well. So that's amazing. And if you go back to the Telegram, let's see what it says. Here I got the response, and look at that, I am really impressed. It gave me the summary what it has done and some other updates, and also it has given me the screenshot. So this is really awesome. Imagine you are very far away from your computer, maybe you are outside your home or your office, but you have your phone in your hand. You cannot come back to your home or office computer just to check how the layout looks like currently, but it removes that need as well. It just took the screenshot of your web page that it has built and sent it to you. You can just open your Telegram app from your phone and see that how it is going to look like. That will save a lot of time. Otherwise, you will have to come back to the office or your computer to see how the layout looks like, and that is not productive. But this is very productive. So I really love this progress. Anyways, so imagine this is not the only one use case. Demonstrated this just to show you the one of the possibilities. Imagine phone is in your hand and the Claude Code is running on your computer in your terminal, and you are not at home. Maybe you are on holidays or whatever. Maybe you want to make some changes in your computer. Maybe you want to create a folder. Maybe you want to organize your desktop folders. Maybe you want to remove the clutter from your desktop, or maybe you want to get the transcription of a YouTube video. For example, you are browsing YouTube and suddenly you saw YouTube, and you want to take the key takeaways from that YouTube video. You can just copy the URL of the video. You can give it to the Telegram bot that you just created, give it the YouTube URL and ask it that please get the transcription and give me the key takeaways from this video. So it will just do everything by itself. It will download the Python library that fetches the transcription of a YouTube video. It will process it, and it will just give you the neat version of the key takeaways, and you will not see any other raw outputs that you normally see in the terminal. The possibilities are endless now. You just have to think that what you want to achieve. That's how you connect Claude Code to Telegram. Now you have got your AI agent accessible from your phone anywhere. If you missed the Discord version of this, check out that video. I'll link it right here in the description. Between Discord and Telegram, you can basically control Claude Code from wherever you are without touching your terminal. If you found this useful, hit like button, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. I also wrote a detailed blog post on ayaztech.com covering every step. Link is in the description. See you in the next one.